Hi, I'm Sandy Schreck for LBR Inspires, and today I want to introduce a glass collection called Berry Bliss. It's an assortment of pink shades, and it comes in an opaque frost, a sheer, which is kind of a raspberry tone, and then a sheer frost. And so we have a combination of the clear finishes and also the matte finishes. But they're really beautiful colors this year. We have them in 9 styles, from cubes. We have the Vibe vase, Jordan, the traditional 999 vases. And one thing that I found really interesting is the 972 and 973. I know they updated the styles previously, but when you take a look at them frosted, it really shows that subtle texture on it. And I really feel like it's a very beautiful look for Valentine's that we have coming up. So we want to think about Valentine's as Valentine's week. And also, rather than just marketing toward the romance side of it, how about let's market share the love? And think about not only your sweetheart, but anybody that you love and that you miss and that you want to show that you appreciate them on Valentine's Day. There's also Galentine's Day, so any best friends, Valentine's Day. Also thinking about the adopt-a-resident programs at the local nursing homes that we have facilities where people are missing the connection with other people. But these are some fabulous containers, the Berry Bliss collection. Make sure and bring some in and create some fabulous florals for Valentine's week.